Kumrat is a valley in Upper Dir district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan. In every summer season, thousands of tourists from different areas of the country visits the valley for its greenery and cool weather. Kumrat is covered with green pastures, snow-clad mountains and river Panjkora. All these serve as habitats for a variety of flora and fauna. This valley got tourist attraction when Imran Khan, the current Prime Minister of Pakistan, visited the valley in May 2016. He was attracted by the green scenic views of the valley while passing over it in a helicopter. Kumrat Valley is famous for its dense pines, tall dark mountains, waterfalls and raging rivers. Until recent, the valley was not open to the outside world due to local conservative traditions. The area is now peaceful and local economic growth is generated through tourism. Kumrat is now welcoming tourists with open arms.